So good day, sir. This is my progress chart and achievement chart of driving in situ. Progress chart, driving in situ, 118 hours common competency. So ito po, respondent 1, use hand tools. Dito po sa identify appropriate sealant adhesive. So competent din po. Prefer surface for sealant adhesive application. Competent. Store and use and dispose use sealant adhesive. So ito po is competent. Move and position vehicle, prepare vehicle for driving, competent. Move and position vehicle, competent. Check the vehicle, competent. Perform measuration and calculation. So ito po sa select measuring instrument and carry out measurement and calculation, competent po. Apply dito sa apply information in access manual, identify access manual and interpret data and specification, identify access, competent. Apply information access and manual, competent. Store manual, so competent din po. Dito po sa use and apply lubricant coolant, identify of type lubricant coolant, competent. Use and apply lubricant, competent. Perform shop maintenance, inspect clean tools and work area, competent. Store arrange tools and shop equipment, competent. Report damage tools equipment, competent. So dito na tayo sa core competencies. Respondent 1 pa rin po. Carry out minor vehicle maintenance and servicing. Clean vehicle units, competent. Maintain and service the vehicle system, competent. Drive light vehicle, performing light vehicle pre-starting and warm up, competent. Drive light vehicle, competent. Monitoring and maintenance vehicle performance, competent. Observe training rules and regulation. So, itong observe traffic sign and road markers, competent. Obey traffic rules and regulation, competent. Respect traffic enforcer and offer traffic management, competent. So, dito po sa implement and coordinate accident emergency procedure. So, respond to emergency is competent. Next po. So, ito na po sa activity, achievement chart, driving in situ. So, dito sa common competency is determine correct sealant or adhesive to use, competent. Get the surface ready for applying sealant or adhesive, competent. Keep leftover sealant adhesive properly and discard the use once safety is competent. Dito sa perform measuration and calculation, choose the proper measuring tools and perform measurements. So competent po. Perform proper upkeep of measuring tools, competent. So dito sa move in position vehicle, get vehicle ready for operation is competent. Drive and place the vehicle in the correct position is competent. Inspect the vehicle is competent. Dito sa performing measuration and calculation, choose the proper measuring tools and perform measurement with calculation is competent. Perform proper upkeep of measuring tools, so competent. Dito sa read, interpret, and apply specification and manual, identify access manuals and interpret data and specification is competent. Information access and manual is competent. Store manual is competent. Dito sa use and apply lubricant coolant, select the correct type of lubricant coolant, is competent. um, Apply the correct lubricant as required, competent. Perform shop maintenance, check the clean tools as well, as the correct area, competent po. Keep and organize tools and shop equipment properly is competent po. Discharge waste and use lubricant properly, competent po. Report defective or broken tools and equipment is competent po. So dito po sa core competency, respondent 1 pa rin po is carry out minor vehicle maintenance and servicing. Wash and clean the vehicle units properly is competent. Perform maintenance and servicing of the vehicle system, competent. Drive light vehicle, prepare and warm up the light vehicle before driving. So ito po is competent. Operate light vehicle safe, competent. Check and maintenance of operational vehicle is competent. Observe traffic sign and road markers. Pay attention to traffic sign and road markings is competent. Follow all traffic laws and regulation is competent. Cooperate with traffic authorities and follow their instruction is competent. Implement, coordinate accident emergency procedure. Take appropriate action during emergency is competent. Coordinate and provide necessary follow-up support is competent. Carry out minor vehicle maintenance and servicing is competent. So, yun lang po. Thank you, sir.